everyone, welcome back. Let's learn in iPhone 14 and 14 Pro, swipe up is not working. Actually, this is the swipe up what we used to do for our recent apps or something, or swipe down for the control center. These are the things. If these are not working into your phone, well, here I'm going to share 4 fixes with you to resolve this. Now let's start with the fix one, that is give a hard reset. Now, how to give a hard reset to your iPhone? For that, you just simply need to press the volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button. Press and hold the power button until you see the iPhone logo onto your screen. You don't need to, or you don't have to leave that power button until you see the Apple logo. When that Apple logo comes in front, your iPhone will be turned off. Then simply press and hold this power button to turn your iPhone back on, and this will help you to resolve so many of the problems you are facing into your iPhone. Now, if we talk about fix 2, that is content and privacy restrictions. Well, for that, to check so if that is enabled, you need to disable that. Now, for that, you need to go to settings, go to screen time. As you can see here, there is screen time, and now scroll down. Here you will see content and privacy restrictions. Click on to that. As you can see, it is enabled right now. So simply disable it by clicking onto that. This is how you can just do content and privacy restrictions. Let's move to fix 3, that is software update. Well, make sure that you are using the updated version of your iPhone. To check so, go to settings, click on general, and click on software update. Here you can see if there is any update available, please do so. Otherwise, if this interface comes in front of you, then it means you're using the updated version of your iPhone. Now, moving to the last fix, that is fix 4. That is reset home screen layout. Because home screen will give you some of the problems related to swipe up or swipe down. So, how to check so? Go to settings, click on general. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this page and here click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on to that. Now click on reset. Here you can see at the last second option there is reset home screen layout. Simply click on to that and it will help you to resolve so many of the problems related to your home screen layout like swipe up, swipe down and everything. Otherwise, you can also click on reset all settings. It will give a quick reset to your iPhone. Don't worry, your data will be safe. Your data, your contacts and everything will be safe in your iPhone, but the settings you have done will you have to they just get into default settings and you have to do all those again. So this is how you can very easily resolve your problem by following these 4 fixes or 4 to 5 fixes, which will definitely help you to resolve your problem. So thank you so much and may you all have a great day.